Can't Hug Every Cat, performed in support of Coco and the return of bacon and potato soup to Boston Pizza. I love cats. I love every kind of cat. I just want to hug all of them. But I can't. Can't hug every cat. Can't hug every cat. So anyway, I am a cat lover. And I love to run. I'm sorry. I'm thinking about cats again. I really love cats. I'm thinking about cats again. And again. And again. And again. I think about how many of them don't have a home. And how I should have them. I think about how cute they are. And how their ears. And how their whiskers. And the nose. I just love them. And I want them. I want them in a basket. And I want little bow ties. I just love them. And I want them to be on a rainbow. And in my bed. And I just want us to roll around. To roll around, round, round, round. Sorry. I'm getting emotional. I love cats. I love every kind of cat. I just want to hug all of them. But I can't. Can't hug every cat. Can't hug every cat. So anyway, I'm a cat lover. And I love to run. Sorry. I'm thinking about cats again. I really love cats. But I can't hug every cat. Can't hug every cat. Can't hug every cat. Oh, good, it was recording. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.